this is Crystal. Today's video is about my basic essential makeup routine to look awake and fresh. I'm not a makeup artist and I'm a mother with 2 young kids, so most of the time I have to get things done very quickly or don't wear makeup at all. In this video, I will show you my way of creating a minimalistic, natural look in just about a few minutes. And I fully respect if you prefer not wearing makeup at all. For myself, I do feel there's a difference between being natural and looking natural, especially if you're in your 40s like I am, with a matured skin or not having a very good sleep or have uneven skin tone. Don't let the intimidating makeup steps to stop you from looking good. The way I'm showing you in this video will not take that long to create. With a little bit practice, you can really make difference. Just like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just to remind you, everyone is different and unique. The makeup focus I will show you in this video might be different from yours. But since we're going to create a basic minimalistic look in this video, so the steps I will show you, probably the steps you don't want to miss. First, create an even skin tone for everything to settle on. Then do the eyebrow to better define the face structure. My third step is to work on the eyes. I use eyeliner, mascara, and a little bit eyeshadows. Then the cheek area with a little touch-up of the blush to bring back the useful color. The last step is the lip with simple moisturizer lipstick and a spot touch of color. Now I will actually do it in front of the camera. I'm curious how long it will take me. Let's get started. Step 1. Create even skin tone. I use the lavender color correcting primer to correct my yellow skin tone. This step is important. It can even out the discoloration on my face. I took a few dots on the center of my face and spread it out quickly. I feel my hands is the best naturally heated brush, which is always available. Then I put on my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, dot it on the forehead, nose, under eye area, and cheeks. Tap motion to let the product set in. Then I gently spread it out to the hairline and the neck area. I also spent a few more seconds to apply my under eye concealer, since my under eye bags are quite obvious thanks to my genetics. I apply it by first looking up and find the gap, then fill it in with 1 to 2 shades lighter color than my foundation color. I use the Clinique Airbrush Concealer currently, and it softens the lines and blur out the gaps. Pat with the fingertip gently to let the color blend in. The last for this step is I use Clinique Almost Powder Makeup to set in the canvas I just created. And I move on to the next. The next step is to define the face with eyebrow. Your brows create expression of your face. It is the easiest way to lift up your face and brighten your look. Start from the inner corner of my eyes. Go straight up with small brush strokes all the way towards the tail of the brow. Lift the brow to find the natural arch so you don't create a second arch. Your brow should end at the point falling into the extending line of the outer edge of the nostril and outer corner of your eyes to look natural. I just use my drugstore product, NYX Eyebrow Pencil, dark brown color to do the job. And I also use the Q-tip to smudge the inner tip of the brow to make it better blend in. The eyes. I'm not a big fan of the dramatic smoky eyes. I use my eyeliner, give my eyes more in-depth look. Start from the outer corner, small stroke motion to create a smooth line as close as I can to the eyelash line. The one I'm currently using is the Stella Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, the black color. The non-waterproof ones always end up giving me the panda eyes at the end of the day, which is very annoying. I also create a tiny upward edge at the outer corner of the eyes and leave the bottom eyelash untouched to give my eyes an uplifting, youthful-looking effect. Then I use the Sephora Collection Mixology eyeshadow palette, the brown color, to tap onto my eyelid to give my eyes more depth and dimension. As Asian, I always trying to find ways to create more dimensional look for my relatively flat face. I use a separate flat brush to apply light shadow under my brow arch and inner corner of my eyes, and then blend the brown color to even it out. Next, I apply the roller lash mascara black color only on the top of my lashes, mostly the outer corner lashes. I just wiggle the brush from the root to the tips to help my lashes stand out a little bit more. I tried different mascaras, but this roller lash mascara is the one so far can curl my lashes up and also add volume to it. If you have better options, please leave a comment and share your recommendations. Now the most time-consuming part is done. Then the blush. As we age, our face loses the color. Without the blush, I always look like washing out or just getting out of bed. To make it simple, I just use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush to subtly add some peachy, pinky color on my cheekbone. Then the lip. I apply the moisturizer lipstick, the IT Cosmetic Hydrating Color Awakening lipstick, then pop with some color in the middle. These are the 5 basic steps. Now I'm done. The time shows I used about 6 minutes to finish this look. Do you think it's doable for you? Try it and tag me or leave a comment below. Let me know how long it takes for you to create your own natural look. My final thoughts on this topic. Most of us don't need a full-blown makeup and change who you really are to look better. And it is totally okay to not wear makeup at all. I don't wear makeup every day, but it is also fun to be able to learn some basic makeup skills to create your own natural look when you want a little bit polished and a younger, fresh look, when you don't want to be just completely natural. I hope you enjoy your process when you do your own natural makeup. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.